So good morning student. Now today we will discuss regarding dal tadka. Dal tadka, this is the very common preparation, and you need to know to learn how to prepare dal tadka. So first of all you need to know regarding the chop masala. Chop masala, you need to know how to prepare the chop masala, and after prepared chop masala you will mix your cooked dal. So step by step, I will explain you the preparation of dal. This is the very common factor, common preparation everyone know, and daily basis you eat this dal, but it has some benefit and preparation technique. So you need to know to learn the different types of technique of dal preparation. First, this is the moong and masoor dal. So you will wash near about 4 to 5 times. Because of that, if you not wash properly, then you will get so many dust and so many dust here, okay, and sometimes you will also get some chemical also. Chemical भी रहता है दाल के अंदर, इसको प्रिजर्व के समय, जिस समय इसको प्रिजर्व करके बस स्टोर करके रखते हैं, okay, तो at that times they also use some they have to spray some chemical also. So you must be wash it 4 to 5 times. This is very compulsory and very essential. Okay, so how you will wash it? Simple preparation. Just you will take a large bowl, and another side you will take water. Okay, and simple, you just wash like that. Okay, just rub like that. Just rub it. Okay, just see it again, just pour its water. Okay, just have a look. This is a very dirty water. Okay, so you have to wash 4 to 5 times. 4 to 5 times. Okay, like that. Just soak it, and then she will keep it near about 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes you just keep it aside. ऐसे रख दो इसको, ठीक है. Next, now I want to explain you regarding different types of vegetables. This is chopped onion. Okay, so basically when you will chop onion, you try to cut it in uniform shape, equal shape. You try to cut it. Second one is the chopped tomato. Okay, chopped tomato, chopped ginger, okay, and chopped garlic. Remember one thing, when you will use ginger and garlic, obviously ginger will be 60% and garlic will be 40%. This is the main ratio. 40, that means 6 is equal to 4 ratio. Okay, garlic always she will take 60%. That means if you make a paste 1 kilo ginger garlic paste, so 600 gram ginger paste you will take and 400 gram garlic paste you will take and mix together. This is the main thing. Then next one is chopped green chili. So when you will chop green chili, first you will slit, you know how to slit it, and open it seed jitna ho sake. Okay, maximum you try to open and remove its seed, and then you can chop it. Chopped coriander, this is very common. Okay, garnishing purpose, or when it will properly cooked, then you will also mix with these main ingredients. Okay, and this is ginger and garlic paste, ginger garlic paste. Just have a look, ginger and garlic paste. Okay, and this is cumin seed, jeera, cumin seed. We have to use as a tempering. This is cumin seed. Okay, so we have to use for the tempering purpose, we have to use. And this one is the khade masala. It's a clove, cinnamon stick, and one whole red chili is enough for this amount of dal. Okay, and little bit butter I will use when dal will completely cooked. Okay, and we also use in desi ghee. Okay, it's optional. You can make your preparation in mustard oil, otherwise refined oil, otherwise desi ghee. If you want to make, then it will be better. Okay, obviously ghee, if you use curry fried butter, that means desi ghee, so it will be you will take the better taste. Okay, so just have a look. This is the preparation. Okay, and dal preparation. Dal ho gaya. Dal just I have to soak it, and then I will pour here to cook it. Okay, now I start this dal. Okay, just use here. Okay, dal already cooked. Okay, just have a look. It's already done. Okay, so it will be proper cooked, not 100%, but 80% it will be cooked. 80%. Just maintain the, when you will cook your dal, then obviously you will maintain the boiling condition of the dal. Now another side, I have taken a saucepan, non-stick pan. Okay, and I will make here chop masala. Okay, but you can say dal ki tadka. So first of all, so I will take oil here. Take oil. So you can take desi ghee, mustard oil, or refined oil, any type of fats you can take it. Okay, you can take also butter also. Butter, if you want to make with butter, then you can also take butter also. So I have taken here refined oil. Okay, so just that's it, refined oil. And when it will the smoky temperature, okay, just a minute. When it will come in smoky temperature, okay, then just you will pour the bay leaf. Okay, and this type of, this all khade masalas. Khade masala. Just you will add it little bit and use cumin. Just use cumin. And when it will crackling, then you will use chopped onion. Chopped onion. Okay. Chopped onion. You just cook till light brown color. Cook till light brown color. Light brown color. You will add little bit turmeric powder, red chili powder. Just mix it. And ginger, then garlic, then ginger garlic paste, cook some time. Okay, and finally you will add chopped tomato. That's it. Chopped tomato. Little bit water. Now we will add coriander powder, little bit garam masala, little bit green chilies and green coriander. Now pour it into the dal. Okay. If required, then she will add little water. This is dal ladle, wooden ladle you can use. Just have a look. This is the fried dal. You can see it. Okay. So its dal tadka is ready, and you will finish with butter also. This is dal tadka. It is very easy preparation. You can make at your home. Okay. And it is very tasty because you have to use all the ingredients in standard recipes. So you will make it and taste it.